Good job. That's fine. You don't want it anymore. Just the left side. That was all it was. We want to try and keep sort of a vignette looking there. That's right.
Mine keeps just drying, so.
Here goes Grace. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, your drips are great, Gavin. Look at that. Nice and bright. Mom's going to follow suit now. Listen to the sound of the drip forcings. Yes, indeed. Oh, look at that. That's cool, Michael. Hey, Michael.
It's a natural.
Yeah, you are. No doubt, no doubt. Nice one, Lee. That's it. Make them darker. That's perfect. Just what we wanted. You're going to like this. Let's do it again. Drip it, force it. Yes. Good job. We got a professional artist here now.
I got the date wrong.
Just whatever you think. Doesn't even matter. As long as it's the right year, right? There you go.
14.
Yeah, it is.